Have you ever wondered what protects your freedom to speak your mind, to worship how you want, or to stand up against injustice? That protection comes from one powerful document, the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution. Let's take a journey back in time. It's 1789. The U.S. Constitution is barely 2 years old. But there's a problem. People are worried. They fear the new government might become too powerful, like the British monarchy they just fought to escape. Enter James Madison, a brilliant mind and a key architect of the Constitution. He listens to the people. He believes in liberty. And so he drafts what would become the Bill of Rights, a promise that the government would never trample on certain fundamental freedoms. In 1791, the Bill of Rights is ratified. Just 10 amendments, but those 10 changed everything. Let's break them down, not in legal language, but in everyday power. The First Amendment: your voice matters. You have the right to speak, write, and believe as you choose. You can gather and protest, question the government, and practice any religion or none at all. The Second Amendment: you have the right to bear arms, a controversial but deeply rooted idea of self-defense and security. The Third Amendment: no soldier can barge into your home and demand to stay there. Not even in wartime. It's your space, period. The Fourth Amendment: your privacy matters. No unreasonable searches or seizures. Police need a warrant, not just a hunch. The Fifth Amendment: you've heard it in movies. I plead the Fifth. That's your right to stay silent, to avoid double jeopardy, and to receive due process. The Sixth Amendment: if you're accused of a crime, you have the right to a speedy trial, a lawyer, and to know exactly what you're being accused of. The Seventh Amendment: in civil cases, money, property, business disputes, you can request a jury trial. The Eighth Amendment: no cruel or unusual punishments, no excessive fines or bail. Justice must be fair, not brutal. The Ninth Amendment: just because a right isn't listed doesn't mean you don't have it. Freedom expands. It's not limited to paper. The 10th Amendment: any powers not given to the federal government belong to you and your state. These rights are not just old words on parchment. They're living, breathing freedoms that shape our lives every single day. Every time you post on social media, attend a protest, or speak freely, you're exercising the power of the Bill of Rights. But rights mean nothing if you don't know them. And if you don't defend them, they can slip away. So, know your rights. Protect your rights. Use your rights, because freedom isn't automatic. It's earned, protected, and lived. The advancement and diffusion of knowledge is the guardian of true liberty. James Madison. Subscribe for more stories that matter. And remember, knowledge is power, especially when it's written into your Constitution.